Okay, hello. What we're going to be doing today on this 2022 Street Bob 114, we're going to be changing the derby cover. This guy right over here. And we're going to change it with this guy over here. Everything is supplied with the kit. So we have the derby cover right here. We have all the bolts and very simple instructions. So all we got to do right now, we just got to remove all these bolts, and we're going to do this right now. So go ahead. Yeah. Oh, you got it? So this is actually a Torx, but you just remove it. We're just loosen them off, and we're going to take this off. And I'm not sure if we have to use that rubber gasket down here. We will see once we open this up, and we'll see how it goes. But we're going to keep these bolts and see how it goes. Okay, so one more. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to. Okay. Yeah, I got it right here. Yeah. Okay. So let's pull this out and see what it looks like if there's any rubber O-rings. Okay. So there's nothing here. Okay, oh, that O-ring is right over here. Okay, so that's good to go. Good to go. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to put this guy on and put the bolts back on. And then we're going to torque him certain way. Okay. And I'm sure this only fits one way. Okay, yeah, one on the top. Okay. And the bolts already come in with the Loctite right here. Okay, let the camera focus a little bit.
Washer.
And the washer. So bolt and the washer, and then we're just gonna put them on. Okay. Okay. And I got the Torx. I'm just gonna go and put this guy in. Okay. And it's a fairly simple job to do. I'm not sure what the torque is, but we're just going to go nice and snug. That way, it will keep the derby cover on, and it's not going to fly off at any time soon. Okay, I'm just going to go and quickly take this in. Okay, and this is all finger tight, and in a second we're just going to go and tighten this up in the star formation, like they tell us in instructions. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So if you go on the top, yeah, we're going to go 1, 2,
3.
Yeah. So 1, 2, yep. 3, 4, 5.
And this is the proper order.
And yeah, and 6. And this is just like Mark is saying, this is the proper order how to do it. So basically this is it. This is it. It looks awesome, and it's good to go. And again, if this video helped you out, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell that you enjoyed the video. But this is a quick little tutorial how to do it. And thank you very much.